Right, so we have a question here. What's up, everybody? How you doing, man? Right, so we got a question here. So this question here, say we have to differentiate find dy dx. So they want us to find dy dx of that equation over here. So this is easy. So what I'm gonna do, first of all, so it's like y da 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 da. So that's like y cosh of, this is the function, remember, it's like cosh of f of x. You know what I'm saying? It's like a cosh of what of f of x. So if you want to get a cosh of f of x, so now we say, so we want to get cosh of f of x. Is easy. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to say how I'm going to get that one. It's easy. So if somebody say, for example, this one, this is same as say, if somebody said differentiate. So if I differentiate this dy dx, this same as say, take this function, differentiate. When you differentiate, you're going to get f derivative, and then when you differentiate cosh, you get sinh of exactly what we have. So this is dy dx. And if you differentiate sinh, you get cosh. So for sinh and cos in hyperbolic, it doesn't have a negative or positive like when you differentiate trigonometric. You know what I'm saying? Like in a trigonometric, if you differentiate, look, excuse me, if you differentiate cos, just a normal cos, what you get? You get what? Negative sine of x. And when you differentiate sine, you get what? Cos of x. See, it has a negative and positive. But for this one, if you differentiate cosh, you get sinh. If you differentiate sinh, you get cosh. We don't have this negative or positive for hyperbolic. This is what we call it, hyperbolic. So for hyperbolic function, excuse me, for hyperbolic function, if I differentiate sinh, I'm just gonna get cosh of x. Or for function, if I differentiate, excuse me, is sinh of x. If you differentiate, let's say cosh of, let's say g of x, I'm gonna get g prime and then sinh of x. So same here, if but this is just x, so it's 1. Because you differentiate x, you get 1 cosh of x. So when you come back here, same thing. When you differentiate cosh, I'll differentiate the function is going to give me function prime, and then when you differentiate the whole cosh, you get sinh. So same here. So we're going to do the same game, man. So we say differentiate this, so it's going to be d. When you differentiate y, you get dy, but I will differentiate with respect to x, so dx equal. We're going to have to differentiate this function. So say d dx of our function. What is the function? Is 2 sinh of x. Okay, and then after that we have to differentiate the whole is a cosh. When you get cosh, you get sinh. So it's going to give us sinh of a function. But what is a function? Sinh of a function, but a function is 2 sinh of x. So now what's happened is when you differentiate ArcSinch, when you differentiate sinh arc or sinh inverse, you get f prime. Know what I'm saying? So you differentiate this alone, you're gonna get what? Look, when you differentiate sinh inverse, you get prime of the function. What is the function? Is 1, which is gonna give us 1. But remember, we got 2. 2 is outside of everything. You get 1 over 1 plus our square of the function. What is the function? The function is x. So x square. So we have already differentiated, but we still have our sinh 2 sinh negative x. So it's done, man. So you can try to put it together. So this time I say if you put it together, so it's same as say we're done with the question. So you can say this, let me say 2 times sinh is going to be so face derivative dy dx equal to 2 sinh of 2 sinh of that one over 1 plus x squared. So we done, man.
More ring for my queen. You gon' wait me till Jesus come. Why when I talk? Pocket full floss, money, honey. forget about Suzanne.
So since we don't have all the equipment like cameras and all this stuff, so just use one of the webcam from my computer. So we're gonna start with these tools and give people knowledge, because that's how they say, start with what you have, and then from there you're gonna elevate it. You're gonna elevate it, and things gonna propagate it, and just me, and things gonna improve slowly. Because you can't reach down top before start from the bottom. Otherwise, then you're gonna break and start from bottom.